How to use Wix for email marketing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Wix email for your marketing in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Okay, and it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really cool, and I'm going to be walking you through the whole basic idea and gist of it all. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come to our Wix setup over here. I'm going to click on site actions and I'm going to click on create new site. Now, once you click on create new site, what's going to happen over here is you're going to obviously go ahead and make a site that you want to constitute or you want to actually associate with the outer world. Okay. Now, if I were to show you my sites, I have a lot of sites. So if I go and click on go to all sites, I have a lot of sites to work with. Not all of them were published exactly, but yeah, there's a lot of sites that I can work with. So once you have a basic site that you've published off and you have a custom domain to go along with it, and you have everything set up properly, what we're going to do from there is we're going to come over to marketing and SEO, and here we're going to come to email marketing. Now, once you come to email marketing, what you're going to do from here is you're going to be going where it says send your first marketing email. Okay. So it says pick a template and make it your own. Reach out to your audience with a branded message and get them to visit your store. So obviously, getting them to visit our store is pretty simple. It says up your gifting game, inspire gift shopping, launch Black Friday deals, launch Black Friday early, whatever you want. You can go and start off with these templates. Okay, whatever type of things you want. Now, again, as I stated, you can promote your business. You can promote something that's currently going on or something like, Christmas shopping. Now, I would obviously love to start from scratch, but starting from scratch is a bit of a hassle. So I would prefer you to go with a template. So let's say we have a template over here. I'm going to go over this. Now, the template is all set up for you and ready to go. All you're going to need to do is, change the styling, the pictures, the fonts, and yeah, you're pretty much set to go because the whole layout of the picture is already there. So, first of all, here we have add. Okay, we have add elements. You have text, image, button, divider, HTML columns, logo, video, subscribe, link, and social. So, once we have this, from there you can, get your themes, background, AI emails, and a whole lot more. So, it gives you a certain idea of how we're going to work with this. Now, basically, first of all, we have add. Okay. Now, in add, what do we get? We get all the basic elements to, edit your email. So, to edit our email, first of all, let's edit the components that are already in here. So, here says Black Friday is here. Now, I want to go ahead and remove this. Okay, so I'm just simply going to choose this and click on delete, and it deletes that. Now, let's say I want to add a new text over it. So I'm just going to hover text right above it and just add any text that I want to add. So let's say I'm going to add new stock out on mega sale for Black Friday. And I'm going to add that. And you can obviously change the text styling. First of all, you have the format. You can actually, as you can see, change the heading and all. So let's say I'm going to change it to large heading. But you can also then decrease the size of it. So I'm going to make it a bit more dominant. Obviously, here we go. Yeah, so that looks decent. And you can make your text bold. Obviously, make sure to always highlight your texts. There we go. Now it's bold. You can change your text color if you want to. And once you're done with what you're doing, just click out of it and look at that. Now here you have images. You can obviously do the same. If you want to add more images, you can add more images if you want to, right above it. And it's going to obviously ask you to upload the certain media that you're wanting to add. So just choose any image that you want to go with. Like, let's say I have a few images over here that I'd like to add. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this image over here. Well, yeah, let's go and add that. Now, obviously, you are gonna want to make sure that the images you add are under 25 megabytes. If they're over 25 megabytes, then they won't upload onto Wix. That's a requirement that Wix wants. I don't know why they do it, but it's a thing they do. But yeah, once your image uploads, what you're gonna do from there is you are gonna go ahead and click on add to page. Now, once you click on add to page, what's gonna happen from there is, you have your images and they're gonna add themselves one by one. And it looks pretty cool, right? It adds itself pretty perfectly, and you can delete an image if you want to, like that. Then here you have your buttons that are obviously hyperlinked to different URLs. So you can enter a URL by yourself as well. Any standalone URL you want, you can do that. Then you have these animations, which are pretty cool, right? So these are GIFs that you can add. And after you've added GIFs, you can actually edit them and add different animations in them if you want to. So as you can see, these texts over here, they've added animations to them. So I'm going to keep it this way because it looks pretty nice. Now, once we have this over here, then you have all these images, you have your shop now products, etc., etc. So this is, how you're going to create your email and do your email marketing. Now, from here, once your template is done, you're going to click on next and you're going to choose the recipients that you're going to want to send this to, okay? So once your recipients are chosen, what we are going to want to do from there is we are going to go ahead, like, let's say I'm going to choose myself as a recipient. Now, once you choose yourself as a recipient, what's going to happen from there is it says only show active accounts, obviously, if there are any. And once that is done, click on next. There it says publish and share on social. So you can actually share it on social as well. But yeah, I'm just going to click on publish. And that will basically publish and send your email to all the people you've added as recipients. And that is how you are going to be doing your email marketing with Wix. So once it's published, it's gonna, give you a whole email telling you that, yeah, your email's been published, you're good to go, etc., etc. You can also like add in your labels, add in your contacts, click on next. And once that is done, simply go ahead and click on publish, send it now to other people. You can save this to your ulterior email as well. And you must confirm that you have access to this account. So they send you a confirmation email. Make sure you confirm it. And that's pretty much about it. So yeah, that is how you are going to be, doing Wix email marketing for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. That's pretty much about it though. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.